Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Grubhub account. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you no longer want your Grubhub account, or you simply just want to go ahead and delete it. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Grubhub. Then on the bottom right-hand corner, click on the account button. Next, scroll down and then click on Manage Account, which is located right above Sign Out. Next, click on Manage Data or Delete Account. And once you click on this option, you're going to see that you can submit a request to go ahead and delete your account. So this is going to take some time as far as requesting the deletion of your account is going to be verified through Grubhub themselves. Yes, I know it's a bit inconvenient, but this right here is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and delete your Grubhub account. But there you have it, guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.